Hi everyone, welcome to I Love Pharmacology. In this Pharmacology Extra Edge series, let us learn about the effects of adrenergic receptors stimulation. In other words, you are going to study about the effects of direct acting adrenoceptor stimulants, where you are going to see the seven important effects mediated by sympathetic system. So on the eye, when the adrenergic receptor gets activated, there will be alpha 1 as well as the beta receptors in the eye. So it will lead to activation of the alpha 1 receptors present in the radial muscles of the iris, leading to mydriasis, that is dilation of the pupil. Whereas on the ciliary muscles, you have got beta receptor that will lead to relaxation of the ciliary muscles. In the cardiovascular system, activation of adrenergic receptors, mainly beta 1 and beta 2 receptors, it will lead to increase in the heart rate, that is positive chronotropy, and also it will increase the contractile capacity, that is positive inotropy, and in additional it also increases the conduction velocity, that is positive dromotropy. The main effect is with respect to the beta 1 activation in the cardiac muscle fibers. With respect to respiratory system, beta 2 receptors get activated in the bronchial smooth muscles, leading to the relaxation of the bronchial smooth muscle and produces the bronchodilation. With respect to gastrointestinal system, the smooth muscles which are present in the gastrointestinal system gets relaxed on activation of alpha 2 as well as the beta 2 receptors, and on the sphincters, due to the activation of alpha 1 receptors, the sphincters gets contracted, whereas with respect to the secretions are inhibited due to the activation of alpha 2 receptors. With respect to the genitourinary system, that is the urinary bladder, the smooth muscles present in the urinary bladder get relaxed on activation of the beta 2 receptors present in the detrusor muscles, and whereas on the trigone and the sphincter, due to the activation of alpha 1 receptor, the trigone as well as the sphincters gets contracted. Whereas with respect to the uterine smooth muscles, activation of beta 2 receptors present in the uterine smooth muscles lead to the relaxation of the uterine smooth muscles, whereas alpha receptor stimulation can also cause some contraction of the uterus. On the penis and in the seminal vesicles, activation of alpha receptors will help in ejaculation. With respect to the skin, uh, in the pilomotor smooth muscle, due to the activation of alpha receptor, it will help in contraction of the pilomotor smooth muscles. With respect to the sweat glands, there will be increase in the sweat gland secretions due to the activation of both muscarinic as well as the alpha adrenergic receptors, which mainly mediated through thermoregulatory system as well as due to the apocrine, which is due to the stress. Coming to the metabolic functions which are mediated by adrenergic receptor activation. So in the liver, there will be gluconeogenesis as well as the glycogenolysis, which are mediated by activation of both beta 2 as well as the alpha receptors. In the fat cells, it causes lipolysis due to the activation of beta 3 receptors, whereas in the kidney, there will be release of renin due to the activation of beta 1 receptors. So coming to the summary of adrenergic receptors activation and what are the results of activation of specific receptors. So in the eye, due to the activation of alpha 1 receptor present in the radial muscle of the iris, it will cause mydriasis, that is dilation of pupil. In the cardiovascular system, due to the activation of beta 1 receptors, it will lead to increase in heart rate, increase in contractility, as well as increase in the conduction velocity. In the respiratory system, beta 2 activation leads to bronchial smooth muscle relaxation, leading to bronchodilation. In the gastrointestinal system, due to the activation of alpha 2 and beta 2 receptor, there will be relaxation of the smooth muscle wall, and there will be contraction of the sphincters due to the activation of alpha 1, and alpha 2 activation inhibits the intestinal secretions. With respect to genitourinary system, activation of beta 2 receptors in the detrusor muscle lead to the relaxation of the bladder wall, and sphincter muscle gets contracted due to the alpha 1 activation. With respect to the uterine smooth muscle, beta 2 receptor activation lead to relaxation of the uterine smooth muscles, and alpha 1 activation in the penis and seminal vesicles will help in ejaculation. With respect to skin, alpha activation in the pilomotor smooth muscles lead to contraction of these muscles, and also there will be increase in sweat gland secretion due to the activation of both alpha as well as the muscarinic receptors. There is a metabolic effects also, which are mediated by beta 2 and alpha activation in the liver, which will lead to gluconeogenesis as well as glycogenolysis, and beta 3 receptor stimulation in the fat cells lead to lipolysis, and beta 1 stimulation in the kidney will help in renin release. Thank you. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel I Love Pharmacology, and do not forget to share and hit the bell icon. Thank you.